Hi guys, the moment you're done with your NMAT exam, you will see the result immediately. So, but the first question that comes to the mind whether it's good score or not. For example, let's look at this score. So here we have a student ka score who have shared his scorecard with me. Quant, he have got 75, logic verbal 87, logic 77, total 239. So whether he should repeat or not repeat, we'll talk about all these things as we go along. So first of all, let's look at the paper pattern. So if you look at the NMAT ka paper, yeah, comparatively paper is coming slightly easy as compared to the last year. Okay, and we'll talk about the cutoff as well. This is the paper pattern for NMAT. I've divided the paper into 12 sections. So critical reasoning is the first section. 18 question, half of the paper is critical reasoning. That's a major change in the NMAT exam. Yeah, traditional logic 10 questions, puzzles 8 question, quant data interpretation 14 question, DI and data sufficiency combined is almost again half of the paper. Then arithmetic, modern maths, time, speed, distance. So this is CAT pattern, but more about slightly easier. Same way, verbal reading 16 question, half the paper, vocab and grammar remaining questions. So this is your pattern, typical pattern. Now everybody is going to change. Pattern is going to change with every exam, but mota we can see two parts, two section here. 18 logic, 18, half critical reasoning, half normal LR and puzzle combined. DI half 18 questions and quant half 18 questions. Same way, reading based half 16 to 18 question and vocabulary grammar remaining 16 to 18 question. This is a typical breakup we have seen. Now, cutoff, I personally feel last year cutoff you used to be around 209, yeah, 210. Yeah, that's a typical cutoff. But is bar bhi that can be one good number to take. Why I should take the this thing blame on me. So this also cutoff can be 208 to 210. Yeah, but if you talk to students, lot of people have done very well in the NMAT exam. I'll show you two scorecards today. But this year, a lot of people are getting more score. I made a video a couple of days ago. We were expecting the cutoff to go up to 220. But now, as in more and more results are coming in, I believe the cutoff will touch at least 230. So, मेरे हिसाब से the cutoff is going to be minimum 230 score. Yeah, see, this is the new pattern, so no one knows what is going to be cut off. So it can go as low as 220 or as high as 240 as well. So that's the, so I would say 230 plus is a decent score. But if you want to be on the safe side, 240 is considered to be a safe side score. But so again, there's no hit and rule for that because this is the new paper pattern. Charts also the cutoff used to be 210. Yeah, now this is 2020. So no one can say about 2020. Okay, because सबके score ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं. I've talked to our students also. So they said the one who was scoring 180 plus in our mocks are easily scoring 210, 220 in the NMAT paper. Okay, so we can easily see a plus 40 mark improvement in that exam. NMAT ka exam is very similar to the seating ka mocks. In case you want to join our program, you can just call us on any of the numbers given here and my team will be more than happy to help you out in case you want to join us for the mocks or for the shortcuts for the NMAT exam. So the paper you are getting is very similar to our mocks. Yeah, paper pattern is very similar to our mocks. So you have to consider now you can easily score plus 40 marks in whatever mocks you are scoring as of today. तो आपको आराम से marks आएगा extra. Now from the section cutoff point of view, I believe 70-75 can be a good cutoff. 70 to 75 can be a good cutoff per section. Okay. So these are all the sections. This is the breakup of all the topic. You can pause the video and you can check it out. That is the breakup for the logic section. There are total 36 topics. Then quant breakup and verbal breakup. Yeah, so these are all the topics of quant, 12 pillars and 36 topics. So you can pause the video and check it out. Okay. Now let's go scorecard of this guy. He got 239 score. So he seems to be on the safer side. It's a very good score. He is on the safe score. But अगर he is hell bent on NMAT कि मुझे NMAT चाहिए CAT भी बेकार गया this and that, he can go for reattempt as well. No problem in that. You can go for the reattempt, bro. 77 is in logic, section clear. Verbal, 87, section cutoff clear, 85. So this is safest score I can say. He is safe. तो 2500 खर्चा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you are giving other exams as well, you are giving CET, SNAP, NMET, CAT. So NMET के अलावा बाकी एग्जाम अगर आप दे रहे हो तो then you will easily, I think you should clear the cutoff. You will clear the cutoff, so don't need to worry about that. Okay. Let's look at this is one more scenario. One more student has similar scores. So his overall score is 239. Again, same score, but logic 83, very good. Verbal 88, even better, but quant 68. Now, इधर आके मेरे को थोड़ा dicey लग रहा है कि because of quant, he or she might not be able to clear the cutoff. So my advice to this guys, अगर आपको NMET चाहिए, तो you can go for the reattempt because ये problem दे सकता है. So if 2500 is not a big amount of money, 3 बार एग्जाम मत दो. Take a 1 month का gap, study more in the weaker area and perform that. Now, second thing which you want to note, doesn't mean last time quant में अच्छा, logic में अच्छा score आ गया, इस बार भी अच्छा score आएगा because the pattern, the difficulty will keep on changing. किसी को quant easy आया, किसी को verbal easy आ गया, so pattern is changing with every paper. Okay, so we can't say कि आपको paper कैसा आएगा, so you have to prepare for the other areas as well. Okay, so if you want a general thumb rule, 70 to 75 is considered to be a good number section wise. And overall score 230 plus 230, 240 is a good number. So I'm giving you the range. I can't predict a one value because this is the first time it's happening. 4 साल से cut off 210 के आजू बाजू था यार. इस बार suddenly paper become very easy. Let's blame everything on 2020. कुछ कर नहीं सकते उसका. तो cut off have to go up. So those who are preparing for the exam now, your magic number is 75, 75, 75, and 230 plus. It's totally your wish. If you want to keep the target as 240, you can do that as well. In other words, in your mocks, if you're scoring 210 plus, it's a very good score. You can easily clear the cutoff on the exam day. All the best. So in case you want to join the program, you can just call us on the numbers given here and my team will be more than happy to help you out for mocks, shortcuts for the NMET exam.